Okay, question number 1 in the test taking skills. It says Alicia's father takes 2 vitamin tablets each day. How many vitamin tablets will he take in 34 days? So it's important that he takes 2 vitamin tablets each day. And there's 34, and he does that over a period of 34 days. And try to figure out how many tablets that is. This is going to look a little bit different than how we normally do it, but it's basically going to be the same thing. I'm just going to do it tall ways because really the groups in this one is going to be 34. There's 34 groups, so I'm just going to draw it a little bit different. So I'm just basically going to draw 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second vitamins, that's 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. Really the same thing. We're just doing it 12 ways. And the reason I'm doing that is really my groups should be how many rows there are and how many are in each row, because there's 2 vitamins in each row would look like that. So I can see that I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So there's 60 tens, or 60, or 6 tens, which is 60, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So if I was to add that up, that would be 68. Equals 68. Another way we could do it, we could do an area model, and my area model is going to look like this. It's going to look a long ways. And that would be 30 plus 4. And then I've got 2 in each row. So for this part I would do 30 times 2, or 3 times 2 is 6, and then I put that 0 there, so that'd be 60, and 4 times 2 is 8. If I add that together, 60 plus 8 would be 68. If I was doing partial product, I could do 30 times 2, and that equals 60. Then I could do 4 times 2, that equals 8. If I add 60 plus 8, that equals 68. Circle all my answers here. Okay, and the standard algorithm way of doing it, I could do 34 times 2. That's 2 times 4 is 8. And then 2 times 30 is 60, or 2 times 3 is 6, and that would be 68. So that's 4 different ways to model that problem, and my correct answer would be C. Go ahead and look at the next problem here. Okay, let's read this together. It says, Mr. Lin made 21 jars of homemade pear jelly to sell at a local market. He used 4 pears to make each jar of jelly. How many pears did Mr. Lin use to make 21 jars of jelly? Okay, we're going to fill in the missing numbers to solve for the distributed property. Okay, so the first step is I would go ahead, I would multiply 4 times 20. And I know 4 times 2 is 8, so 4 times 20 would be 80. And then I would do 4 times 1, and 4 times 1 equals 4. Then I would add 80 plus 4 equals 84. So that means he would have used 84 pears to make the 21 jars of jelly. Okay, another way of doing it, I could do a pictorial model, and it'd really be the same way, because there's 4 in each. So my groups would be my jars. So I would do 10, 21, 10, 21, 10, 21, and 10, 21, because I have 21 groups, 21 groups, and I have 4 pairs in each. 4 pairs in each. So when I do that, I'm going to do, look at these. Go ahead and do the area model along with this. So I can say 4 or 20 times 4 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 is 80. And then 4 times 1, 4 times 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 80 plus 4 would be 84. That's another way of solving the same problem.